Now in this video we will start making floors in our building. So I will switch to my first floor and I will select floors architectural. Now I will select a floor type. So a generic I want 6 inches. I will edit my type and duplicate it, and generic 6 inches I want. Okay, edit its type and 6 inches. Okay, now I don't want my floor to be extend to all core. Later we will discuss how it working, but I will uncheck it and I will select room bounding on. Another thing, I want an offset of negative 4 inches. I want to start my floor below my level. So I will select minus negative 4 inches. This is what we discussed before in the previous videos. Now I will start pick walls and click here, click here, click here, and click here, and select trim extend to corner. Now finish edit mode. I don't want to connect it, so no. So this is our first floor. Now I will draw walls here and again floor architectural, and this time I don't want any offset because this place I want a bit higher than this one, because this is a garage and this is a normal floor. So again uncheck extend to all core and now draw your floor. Select it and no, I don't want to make it connected. Now see it in 3D view to see how it looks like. Now switch to second floor and draw a second floor. First I will draw this wall. I'll extend it to make it a complete room here. Now again floor architectural, and this time I want my floor to be generic 12 inches. You can also apply it 6 inches, but you can also make changes if you want. This time I want my floor to be extended to the wall core, because it will work as a roof. So you can also take in offsets. Now select this wall, this wall, this wall, and this wall, and trim extend to corner. And okay, this time I want yes, because my floor will cut the geometry, because it will work as a roof. Again floor architectural, select this wall, this wall, this wall. This time I don't want to be applied on the complete building, so I will drag it, for example 16 feet, 6 inches, and now draw wall here, and click here. We will adjust it later for stairs. Now trim extend to corner, and this is how our floor will be. Now complete it, finish it mode, yes, yes, and now switch to 3D view to see how it look like. Very amazing. Switch to second floor again, and we will start making balconies also. So for this I will select floor architectural, and this time I will change its type to for example concrete and metal deck, and you can draw walls or pick walls. Or you can make it a bit larger, for example 5 feet. Control Z, that's enough for this balcony, and finish edit mode. We will make some cleaning. Now we will clean our objects and then finish edit mode. Yes. So this is how our balcony will be. You can adjust it anytime you want. Again, in the second floor, select for architectural, and again select your wall, draw a line, this point to this point to this point, and now trim extend to corner to make it clean, and then finish edit mode. Yes. And now switch to 3D view to how it's look like. So this is how our balconies are. You can adjust it anytime you want, its size, its thickness. Switch to second floor, and now we will try to create our roofs. So for the roofs, I will first create a lower roof, so I will switch to lower roof level, and I will select type roof by footprint. Now you can try different methods, but pick walls will be a great tool here. Trim extend to corner, and I don't want with control select all these, and define slope will be disabled. I uncheck this one, and now you can make changes. I will make it 2 inches by 12 inches. Now you can also apply an overhang. So here I will apply an overhang of 3 feet. Here I will apply 1 feet 6 inches, and here I will apply 6 inches will be enough, I think. So this is how we applied some options on our lower roof, and now finish edit mode. Sorry. Switch to 3D view to see how our roof is. Again switch to upper roof, and now we will try to make another roof by footprint. Pick walls, now trim extend to corner, and now select all these three lines because I want an opposite side to be sloped. So uncheck define slopes, and now select this one, and you can make changes anytime. 3 or 12 inches, and now select overhang on the wall. So this will be 1 feet will be enough. .1 feet, and this time to this part I will apply 2 feet. So this is how our upper roof will be. Now finish edit mode and switch to 3D view to see how it looks like. Now how will we attach our walls to the roof? So select hover your mouse on one of your wall and then press tab, then click, and here you can apply attach top base. Again hover over your mouse, click, and attach top base. This is how you can attach your walls to a roof. But if you remember, we have interior walls and we didn't attach it. For this we will try another option. Click on your roof and right click, then override graphics in view by element, and here we will select transparent. So I will select this one, right click, hide in override graphics in view by element, and now surface transparency, you will apply transparency to 100% and apply OK. Now you select your all walls, attach top base, and select your roof. Again hover over your mouse, click, attach top base, and select your roof. If everything is done, then again go to override in graphics in view by element and transparency to 0, apply OK. So this is how it works. So that's it for this tutorial. In the next tutorial we will try to apply doors, windows, mullions, curtain walls, and something special to this modern house. See you in next videos. Bye.